Welcome to this episode of Versus. Now, paddle tail swim baits catch a lot of fish, and they catch a lot of big fish. There's a lot of different ones out there on the market. Different sizes, different materials that they're made of. Some of them are softer material that don't withstand the fish biting on them as much, end up breaking off after a single catch. But I'm going to look at two that are very similar, at least to the naked eye. If you're walking down the aisles of your local tackle shop, you see these, you may not know the difference, or maybe you've never paid attention. But look at this. You got the Bass Pro Shop Speed Shad on the 3.8, as well as the Kietech Swim Impact Fat, also in a 3.8. Now, if you look at these, they're very, very similar. Now, I can't say that they're manufactured at the same place, but the nose is shaped the same, the tail is shaped the same, the ribs down the side of the body of the swim bait, pretty similar. So we're going to throw them here in the pool, get some underwater video, and see what they look like. So as you can see from the video, there's very little difference in how they react underwater. They both have a good tail pickup when you first start to reel it in. The Kietech has a little bit more body movement, a little bit more roll as it's coming through the water. But those are really slight changes, and I don't think a fish is really going to pick up on a minute difference like that. Keep in mind, this is a moving bait. It's coming by them. And they're not looking for those small little things like that. I mean, no bait fish is going to swim the same as the other one either, right? So, I would feel comfortable if I walked in someplace and I saw one of these on the shelf versus one that I normally use, then I'd go ahead and pick up the other one. Now, price-wise, they're pretty close. The Bass Pro Shop is $5.69 for a pack of 6, and the Kietech is $5.99 to $6.99, depending on which retailer you go to. And $1.30 to 30 cents difference. So I wouldn't be worried about it. I'd pick them up. I think they're both great options with minimal difference in how they react underwater. Hopefully you got something valuable out of this video. Please like, give me comments if you like this. If there's other things that you would like some underwater video from, kind of this Versus thing is a little thing I want to run with right now. So give me your ideas of what you would like to see, and we'll get it on here for you. Again, subscribe, and let's boost those numbers up for subscription levels. So thanks, and have a great one.